Hi, this is Mukaddas. I am going to record a second lecture on the series which I have already started, and I told you that I will upload all the lectures on all the branches of linguistics, whether they are internal linguistics or external linguistics. So today I am going to record a lecture on a subject which we were taught in our sixth or fifth semester. So the name of the subject was syllabus design and material development. Basically there are two parts in this subject. First part is based on syllabus design, that means about syllabus, and second part is about material development, that means second part is based on the development of the material. Okay, so we were taught this subject into two parts. So firstly our teacher taught us syllabus design, that how we design the syllabus and what are the process to design a syllabus, entire the journey of syllabus. Secondly we were taught material development, then we were taught the evaluation of the material as well. But I will start to teach you or record a lecture firstly on material development, then I will cover syllabus design, or I can record syllabus design before the completion of material development. It depends on my mood. So now let's start material development. So firstly let's see what is material. See, we are learning about material development, how to develop a material, but if we don't know what is material, how can we develop it? So here is the definition: is anything which facilitate learning is material. Anything material, anything can be material, like your video, your picture, article and book, and anything which helps you or which facilitate learning, that is material. And the second definition of material is anything which uses for learning and teaching, like a video, a picture, article, newspaper, podcast, or anything which we use for teach and learn. Okay, that is material. Then it doesn't fix in nature because it changes according to the context. Now this is very much important point here. We cannot teach the material of UK or USA in Pakistani context. Why? Because these both contexts are different. Context means situation or physical area where we are using that material. Pakistan is different from UK and USA, and vice versa. So we cannot teach the material of Pakistan in UK or USA and vice versa. So we have to change the material, and we have to moderate the material or adapt the material according to our context, our area and our situation. Okay, so here, that's why here is written that it doesn't fix or rigid in nature because it changes context to context. So that's all for today. Today I taught you what is material. So basically material can be anything which facilitate learning or which used for the purpose of learning and teaching. It can be a book, a video, a picture, an article or newspaper, anything which help you in learning and teaching, that is material. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the